How to check the word count in Google Docs. Simply head to Tools at the top here, and you will see it straight away. It's a second option on the list, word count. Open it up, you will have this pop-up showing you got one page, in my case it's one page, 276 words and 1780 characters. So you got all of the details from your document. You can also check this box if you want them to show you the live number while you're typing. You click OK now and you got this number here at the bottom left. You can always move that to pages, words or characters, and you will see it all the time, and while you're typing you will have additional words popping up here, so you can monitor kind of live. So that's how easy it is. Simply Tools and word count is here, and you can turn on and off the live preview as well. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.